Welcome to Dr. X Lecture Series, Data Compression. Huffman Encoding. Huffman Approach. This is how you do Huffman Encoding using Huffman bottom-up approach. Let's say we want to compress the sentence, Bill beats Ben. In order to show how the Huffman encoding works, we're going to delete all the spaces between words, making it one long word, Bill beats Ben. This one long word is what we call source. Next we have to identify the alphabets in the source and each of their probability. To do that, we look into the first character, B, then we count how many B's are there in the source. In this case, it's 3. Next we make a simple note with the alphabet on top and its probability below. We then go to the next letter in the source, I, make a note below, stating I and 1. Next we have L. There's 2 L in the source, therefore make another note with L and 2. Notice the next letter after L is B. Since we've processed B before, we are going to skip this instance, and go straight to the next alphabet, which is E. Repeat this action until the end of the source. You will get the following note. The source alphabets, B, I, L, E, A, T, S, and N. And their probability of 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Next we need to arrange the source according to their probability in descending order. Now we have the note like this. The source alphabets, B, L, E, I, A, T, S, and N. And their probability of 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Put the source alphabet and the probability in the S and P format respectively. Now we are going to make the Huffman tree. Select to rightmost item, S and N, and combine it to be one item, Sn. Add their probability, so 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and draw branches from Sn's probability of 2 to S and N. Bring the new item Sn to the leftmost of the same sized probability, which is between B3 and L2. Next we are going to the same with A and T. Bring the new item AT and put it between B3 and Sn2. Next up is E and I. It is the same as before, however, the total of E and I probability is 3. So we need to put the new item, EI, so that it be the leftmost item with a probability of 3. So we put it in front. Next we have Sn again. Combine it with L. To combine, put previously combined items, Sn in brackets, and put L on its side. Move the branches from 2, S and N downwards. Add the probability of Sn and L, which is 2 plus 2, equals 4, and put it below SNL. Draw branches connecting the probability of 4 to Sn and L leaf. Next, we are going to move SNL item to the front of the item list because it has the biggest probability. Do the same with B, A, T, and all the following to rightmost item in the list until there is only one probability on the top of the diagram. This is the result of doing Huffman encoding using the Huffman bottom-up approach. It's open bracket, Sn, close bracket, L, open bracket, EI, close bracket, open bracket, B, open bracket, A, T, close bracket, close bracket. To finish up making the Huffman tree, all you need to do is to remove all the probability from the diagram. Put zeros to all left branches and ones to all right branches. There you have it. How to make a Huffman tree using Huffman approach. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.